What is up, guys? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to use all the common house tool to turn your yellow looking oxidized headlight into this nice, clear, shiny, almost brand new looking headlight. Alright, now I'm gonna show you what you need to get that result. Super simple. Right, so sanding block, if you don't have it, doesn't matter. Different grit sandpaper. So I start with 400 and I did 800 after that. Yep, 800, and then 1200, 2000 and 3000. That's all I use, just common sandpaper. And if you have a heat gun, it would be better, but your normal hairdryer would do just fine. So the concept is to use 400 grit sandpaper, apply even pressure, right? Always wet sand, and then sanding through the headlight, going horizontal and vertical, and you should be able to see all these yellowness coming off. And just keep doing that. The 400 grit is the most important one, because you're mainly getting all the stuff off by using 400 grit. And after that, the headlight turns into like a universal hazy white color. You can start using 800 to finish it off, and then 1200 to give it some shine back, and then up to 3000 to make it super smooth, ready to be re-cleared or tinted or whatever. So that's the easy concept. And now I'm gonna do this headlight so you guys will see. Alright, this is about 5 minutes worth of sanding. You can see the majority of the yellowness has already been sanded off. So that's what you want. You can see here's all the scratch mark, but that's fine. That's what the 1000, 2000 grit are there for. So you just want to get it like a universal haziness, but not yellow. And I'm gonna move on to 800 grit. So pretty simple, pretty basic. pretty much you can see all the yellowness has gone after 10 minutes of sanding. So what I'm gonna do next is, you can see there are fine scratches, right? That's normal. And what you want to do is you want to use the higher grit sandpaper to get rid of all of those scratches. And you can see this headlight have all these tiny plastic cracks. I'm not sure if you guys can see or not, but that is caused by oxidation. So if your headlights start turning yellow and you don't deal with it, it'll start eating into the plastic and cause those tiny cracks. You can get rid of the yellow, but you can't get rid of all of those little cracks. So better to fix it if you know your headlight already turning yellow. And also I don't have masking tape. If you guys do, you should probably use it around the headlights, just in case your sandpaper accidentally sand the paint, because you don't want that. But I'm just gonna sand it. So now I'm gonna move on to 1200, 2000 and 3000. But before doing that, you can see it's already a massive change on the headlight. It's already way better now. So let's get started. Alright guys, check this out. That's pretty much after all the sanding. You can see all the yellowness has pretty much completely disappeared. Now when it dries out, it will look really shit, but here comes to another really important part, which is now after you've done all the work, you have to protect it. There are a couple of options. You can go with clear coat, or you can go with UV protection. I think that's what we call it. But me personally, they will just go yellow probably within a year or two. So I don't really recommend going that route, but that is definitely the easiest way. But what I'm gonna do is, I have these clear tint. If you really go closely, look at here. I didn't do a good job on that part because it's kind of peeling off, but I just need to apply a bit of heat and then push it back. It'll stay. But yeah, that's what I did. I put a tint on it. So with a tint, the good thing is it will never get yellow like the clear coat or UV protection. And also, when you want to change it, you can just simply peel it off and you still have a nice clear headlight. And so that's why I have a annual hair dryer there, just to heat up the tint so they can stretch, and then to put on the headlight. So what I usually like to do is I like to spray it with water so it's nice and slippery, and then when you apply the tint on it, you can actually have a easier time squeezing the air bubble out and the water out, because the surface is wet, so it's really slippery. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, so here's the next day. You can see this is the finished result. Pretty clear and shiny. Check this out, what a huge difference. Alright, that'll be it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If it helps you guys out, leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.